Okay, so we're going to be talking about the overtread grill installation here. It does come with some instructions. They're about as basic as you get. Remove all the hardware, remove the grill, put the grill on. Pretty basic. So, just thought I'd go through a couple of things that I found might help you out along the way. The removal of the old grill, very easy in my opinion. So you have all these little clips that sit on the top of this. The clips look like this. They'll be popped in here. So you just want to pop this centerpiece out first. I found the easiest way. Use a flathead screwdriver, kind of get up on that centerpiece. And then there's a clip installation tool, or a clip removal tool. This guy right here makes it really easy because it'll slide in. You can pop the center up and then you can take this, dig under it, do the same thing, pop the clip up, and everything is nice and easy keeps it safe for later. You'll notice that the new grill comes in two pieces. It's the main grill and then this cowl piece on top, and that's because the cowl piece on the old one is actually like riveted in. Where are they? There's one right here. It's not screws, it's rivets. It's on the underside. Right there. So they give you a new cowl piece and they give you the hardware to put that cowl piece on. I'm not going to go through the installation. That's pretty basic. But this weather stripping, on the other hand, this has these little clips that sit in there. The quickest way that I've found to remove them, see if I can do it one-handed, is you take a pair of dikes, find the clip. Sorry for the bad video. And you just pop it out. So I like the dikes because they get kind of underneath. You don't squeeze on them too hard because you don't want to ruin these clips, because you're going to have to use these, I'm assuming, to put into the next grill. Alright, so that's kind of the removal of the old grill. Once you have these top ones pulled off, you just kind of lift up on this cowl piece and out, and you'll see that there's a clip here and a clip there. You can pop those out, and then all these clips on the bottom, they're all just pull straight out. So it just kind of popped out for me, very easy. It was not a tough removal at all. The new grill, obviously a little bit more because there are the LEDs in there. You'll have to pardon my kind of messy wiring because I'm doing another project at the same time with the wiring. That's why you see this extra pigtail, but very basic stuff. Has the harness. You just kind of put all these clips together. I zip tied them just because I don't like the idea of them kind of hanging out behind or in front of the radiator. So I try to get them kind of nice and snug. These are the ends. I find this a little bit weird because you generally aren't using this end for a hot lead. So I'll clip that off and I'll probably direct solder it to a connector, a quick connector. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire this into one of my aux switches, which there's plenty of videos on YouTube on how to wire into the aux switches. Just so you know, it does come with these clips. Do not sit there and remove all the old clips off the old grill. They will take you a long time. You'll probably mangle the clips and then you'll realize that it comes with new ones and you've wasted your time. I did it with one right there, then I realized it came with them. So other than that, we are gonna wire this on the left-hand side. Up to the aux3 switch. You can wire them into the parking lights if you want. I just don't feel like ripping apart the fender liners to do that, to get them into the parking lights. So that's it. I think the rest of it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. This cowl piece will go kind of underneath the main. You'll see everything lines up. There are little guide nubs right there that will go into the hole. And then they give you all the hardware to secure this down. That's it. Hopefully this helps a little bit for your replacement of the grill. Thanks.